Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Brian Gabriela Mesiker. You can call me Brian. I'm from D3 Accounting class 3F. Final project proposal is calculation of production cost using the process cost method at MSMA Silin. Table of contents. Number 1 is introduction, number 2 is literature review, number 3 is research of methods. Background. The increasingly complex global economy encourages companies to innovate and manage costs efficiently. MSME with limited capital and labor often have difficulty calculating production costs in detail. It hinders their ability to determine the right selling price and plan profits effectively. Silin and MSME in the food sector faces challenges in calculating cost of goods sold accurately. The process cost method was chosen because of the continuous production process, where raw materials are processed through several stages to become the final product. By using the process cost method, Silin can calculate cost of goods sold more accurately, identify areas that need efficiency, and optimize selling prices to increase profits. This study aims to analyze HPP in Silin, which is expected to increase competitiveness, ensure business sustainability, and contribute to the development of MSME in the snack food industry in Indonesia. And then, problem formulation. Number 1 is how to calculate the cost of goods sold HPP in Silin MSME using the process cost method. Number 2, what are the steps needed to calculate the cost of goods sold HPP in Silin MSME using the process cost method. And then research objective. Number 1 is to calculate of cost of goods sold or HPP at Silin MSME using the process cost method. Number 2, to find out the steps needed in calculating the cost of goods sold HPP using the process cost method at Silin MSME. And then benefit of the research. For Silin MSME, the research helps Silin understand the calculation of HPP using the process cost method, which can improve the efficiency and accuracy of production costs as well as optimize selling prices and competitiveness in the market. Number 2, for MSME managers. Provide insight to MSME managers, especially in the snack food sector, regarding the importance of accurate cost calculation and cost structure analysis for more efficient production and marketing strategies. And then for researchers and academics, become a reference for future research related to financial and cost management in MSME as well as the application of the process cost method in the food industry. And the last for the government and MSME supporting institution. Provide input regarding the importance of appropriate cost management for the sustainability of MSME and become a reference for policies in supporting MSME development, especially in the snack food sector. And then discussion. There is micro, small, and medium enterprises. MSME in Indonesia have an important role in the economy because their numbers are greater than large industry as well as their ability absorb labor and accelerate equitable development. MSME include micro, small, and medium enterprises that are grouped based on asset and annual turnover. And then cost accounting. Cost accounting in the process of identifying, calculating, and reporting production costs to support efficient and effective decision making. Costs are measured in money and are the sacrifice of economic resources for a specific purpose. According to Hartanto and Siregar et al., overall, cost accounting helps companies in decision making and improving performance. And then objective of cost accounting. The purpose of cost accounting is to determine cost of goods sold, provide cost information for management, assist in cost planning and control, introduce efficient cost methods, support decision making, calculate profits, and analyze cost ineffectiveness for the best solution. And then cost and cost classification. Cost in accounting refers to the economic sacrifice incurred to acquire goods, service, or resources used in production or operations. Proper cost classification is essential for efficient financial management and sound business decision making. Costs can be grouped based on the type of expenditure relationship to production and purpose of use, which help companies manage expenses and increase profits. And then cost classification. Costs in accounting are divided based on their relationship to production or direct and indirect costs. The nature of the expenditure are fixed and variable, and the effect on production volume or marginal and average cost. This classification helps companies manage costs and make more efficient decisions. And then method of collecting cost of goods sold. There are two approaches to calculate cost elements in production costs, namely number one is full costing method. According to John Lucy, 2002, full costing allocates all costs, both direct and indirect, to products. Although it provides a complete picture of production costs, this method is less relevant for short-term decisions because it does not separate fixed and variable costs. Number two is variable cost method. Variable costing is a method determining the cost of goods sold that only takes into account variable production costs into the cost of goods sold, which consists of raw material costs, direct labor costs, and variable factory overhead costs. And then research method. This type and resources data. The study uses a quantitative descriptive approach with a positivistic philosophy to test hypotheses. Through number and calculation, the focus of study is the calculation of production costs using the process cost method in MSMA. Data were collected using a qualitative approach in the form of verbal information, documents, and relevant field data. The main data source is primary data obtained through direct interviews with salon owners regarding the production process and production costs. And then data collection techniques. According to Sugiono 2022, data collection techniques are an important step in research. In this study, data was collected through three methods, namely observation, where researchers directly observe production activities to obtain accurate information, and then interviews, which are conducted in a semi-structured manner with salon owners and employees to dig up in-depth information. Finally, documentation. By collecting production cost data, business registration number, and photo relates to the product process. The last is data analysis technique. Data analysis technique, the writing method in this study is a descriptive method. The data analysis tool used in this study is to calculate the cost of production using the process cost method. Thank you for your attention, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.